Hello, fellow nature enthusiasts, and welcome to Wildlife About. I'm your host Wildlife 353, and I couldn't be more thrilled to embark on this incredible wildlife journey with all of you. Join with me, subscribe, like, and share with your friends.
Introduction.
Ostriches are large flightless birds. They are the heaviest living birds, and lay the largest eggs of any living land animal. With the ability to run at 70 kilometers per hour, 43.5 miles per hour, they are the fastest birds on land. They are farmed worldwide, with significant industries in the Philippines and in Namibia. Ostrich leather is a lucrative commodity, and the large feathers are used as plumes for the decoration of ceremonial headgear. Ostrich eggs have been used by humans for millennia. Ostriches are of the genus Struthio in the order Struthioniformes, part of the infra-class Paleognathai, a diverse group of flightless birds also known as ratites that includes the emus, rheas, cassowaries and kiwis. There are two living species of ostrich: the common ostrich, native to large areas of sub-Saharan Africa, and the Somali ostrich, native to the Horn of Africa. The common ostrich used to be native to the Arabian Peninsula, and ostriches were present across Asia as far east as China and Mongolia during the late Pleistocene and possibly into the Holocene. The genus Struthio was first described by Carl Linnaeus in 1758. The genus was used by Linnaeus and other early taxonomists to include the emu, rhea, and cassowary, until they each were placed in their own genera. The Somali ostrich, Struthio molybdophanes, has recently become recognized as a separate species by most authorities, while others are still reviewing the evidence. Struthionidae is a member of the Struthioniformes, a group of paleognath birds which first appeared during the early Eocene, and includes a variety of flightless forms which were present across the Northern Hemisphere, Europe, Asia and North America, during the Eocene epoch. The closest relatives of Struthionidae within the Struthioniformes are the Ergolornithidae, known from the late Eocene to early Pliocene of Asia. It is therefore most likely that Struthionidae originated in Asia. The earliest fossils of the genus Struthio are from the early Miocene, 21 million years ago of Namibia in Africa, so it is proposed that genus is of African origin. By the middle to late Miocene, 5 to 13 Maya, they had spread to and become widespread across Eurasia. While the relationship of the African fossil species is comparatively straightforward, many Asian species of ostrich have been described from fragmentary remains, and their interrelationships and how they relate to the African ostriches are confusing. In India, Mongolia and China, ostriches are known to have become extinct only around, or even after, the end of the last ice age. Images of ostriches have been found prehistoric Chinese pottery and today, ostriches are only found natively in the wild in Africa, where they occur in a range of open arid and semi-arid habitats such as savannas and the Sahel, both north and south of the equatorial forest zone. The Somali ostrich occurs in the Horn of Africa, having evolved isolated from the common ostrich by the geographic barrier of the East African Rift. In some areas, the common ostrich's Maasai subspecies occurs alongside the Somali ostrich, but they are kept from interbreeding by behavioral and ecological differences. The Arabian ostriches in Asia Minor and Arabia were hunted to extinction by the middle of the 20th century, and in Israel attempts to introduce North African ostriches to fill their ecological role have failed. Escaped common ostriches in Australia have established feral populations. thank you for joining us today. Stay curious, stay wild, and see you on our next wildlife adventure.